second in 3, 2, 1. Yes, man. Ozora, baby. So this is the end of. Not the end of. I was thinking to go to sleep, but then some drops. اگه بخواستم برم بخوابم بعد یه حوصت اتفاقی چند تا قطعه پاشید سر صورت ما دیگه Morning psychedelic. we didn't sleep last night. So it's not good morning. I don't know what this is. Man, good morning, rise and shine. The music just started.
Well, you never know.
It's 10 o'clock in the morning. Ohayou gozaimasu. Yeah, man. I was offline for like 48 hours. The camera was out. I was also out, really out of universe, and then out in the bed. Just get up fresh today at 8 o'clock, took shower. Now we're having breakfast, the music started. Yo, آقای 2 روزی من آفلاین بودم، خواب بودم و فضا بودم دیگه، اصلا دوربین مرمی تعطیل بود، خوشم خاموش شده بود. نه من امروز today we go around a little bit. Yo. Nice breakfast. You can leave on eggs, yeah? Only eggs.
Yeah, just eggs, nothing else. And water.
I made a roll. I'm gonna roll a joint with this sandwich.
Just
What's up, man?
How are ya?
Good, how are you today? Yeah, man. Fucking nice, yeah, man.
You see he's cooking while he's playing?
Yeah, it's so cool, huh?
It's amazing.
Crazy, yeah. I said, let him cook.
I know I saw him, he was wearing like this big...
Dylan,
How are you?
what's up, man? How are you, bro? Good to see you. Yeah, man.
Thanks again for that lovely evening. That was absolutely beautiful, man. I had such a beautiful experience. And so much healing, man.
Nice,
Really.
amazing.
It
Good
was
to hear. Good to hear. Yeah, man.
How's your day gone?
Amazing. I was like tripping on the ceremony after I was going to sleep, and then I had a double trip, 2 times dose. I didn't want it, but happened to me.
It just happens sometimes.
I was so tired. My body was so tired, but my mind.
kept going.
Yeah, I party a little bit, then I went to bed. I wake up at 1:30 in the midnight last night. Hang out a little bit, 5 o'clock. I sleep 8. I wake up so fresh.
Perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's how we do. Hey, what's up, man? Yeah, man, fucking nice. Oh, damn, he told me the DJ is DJ Omelet and he makes eggs. Serve people, I wanna eat. should let me see from it. Yeah, the other way.
From this side.
Oh yeah.
Nice.